$250 million. That's how much the IRS plans potentially spend on their new tax filing system. If this happens, it could drastically change tax filing for millions of Americans. But what does that mean for you and your business? In this video, I will explore what we know so far and why it's even a consideration, how it can affect you and your business, and I will also give you my expert opinion on what this means for the future of taxes in America. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. And if you watch into the entire video, I am going to give you a little nugget on where IRS is with their tax audits. They're back. So what is this new software that IRS has created? This is literally a software so that you can file your taxes directly with them. That's right. You can just go to the IRS website and for free, why don't you? You can file your income taxes with IRS. Wait, let me think about that for a second. You can literally not pay anything to get your taxes done. IRS has created this new technology and you can go out and file for free. Now, IRS has always offered something for free before, except for they use third-party vendors. They use other companies to do it. Now, they decided that they are going to create their own software and you're going to be able to file for free directly on their website. Why is IRS considering this new system? Let me think about that for a second. One of the reasons why IRS is considering this new system, because part of the Tax Reduction Act gave IRS $80 billion, 80 billion people. So now they said that they wanted to use that $80 billion to improve enforcement, to improve technology, and improve customer service. I don't want you to forget that: enforcement, technology, and customer service. So in an effort to upgrade their technology, they didn't have technology before. They didn't have a system before. So listen. In an effort, they say, to upgrade their technology, they're now creating software for you to file your income taxes. Well, they didn't have technology before. That means it must be enforcement. They're looking to make sure that people have an avenue to actually file their taxes for free. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? You're going to learn. Stay tuned. How is this going to affect businesses and individuals? Well, it is really going to affect you. Let me tell you why. A lot of low income to mid income business owners or low income to mid income taxpayers, absolutely. Should there be some inexpensive way for you to file your tax return? I think so. Should it be on IRS's website? I don't know about that piece. However, you will be able to go directly to the IRS website and file your income tax return. Is this going to help individuals? Yes, some of you, because chances are, if you can file on IRS's website, chances are they're going to have information regarding your income already connected to that website when you put in your Social Security number. I'm not saying they've said that, but just thinking ahead, that's where my thoughts would go. So is it going to help you? It is definitely going to help you if you're a low income to mid income taxpayer. From a business owner perspective, is it going to help you? No, it is not going to help you at all, because this new system is for simple tax returns. And most business owners, you don't have a simple tax return. So chances are you're not even going to be able to utilize this IRS's new free filing system. Now, what do I think about this system? Ooh, do I have a lot to say about this? Number one, IRS is creating a software for you to be able to file your taxes. Why would I want to do that with Internal Revenue Service? Why would I not go to a third party or third party software? Someone that doesn't have any skin in the game, right? Why would I want to file on their system? Could it be convenient? Maybe if some of my W-2 information is there. But I'm going to tell you, IRS is looking to improve technology. IRS is looking to improve enforcement, and IRS is looking to improve customer service. in terms of technology, they didn't have this technology. So that's already off the charts as far as I'm concerned. But to improve enforcement, that's where this is really going. Why do I say that? Because IRS is going to say that low income and mid-income taxpayers can file for free. That means their stuff is going to be pretty basic. But business owners and people who have opportunities to write stuff off on their income taxes aren't going to be able to use this free file system. Therefore, IRS is going to be able to really determine who's their simple taxpayers and who's their more complex taxpayers, literally based on who files on their system and who doesn't. And what is that going to mean? That is going to mean that everybody else that don't file on their system because they can't file on their system because their simple system is too simplified, these individuals are going to be more subject to audit. Wait, you heard me right. These individuals are going to be more subject to audit. Why do I say that? Because IRS has said they want to close the tax gap. The tax gap is that number that IRS feels like business owners should pay and what they're actually paying. Business owners should pay and what they're actually paying. Therefore, if IRS already knows that the low income, the mid income people have simplified taxes, they're following the IRS's system. Everybody else is filing outside of IRS's system. So guess what? We just gave IRS a targeted pool to go after for audits. And here's the other reason why I think this could be a disservice. The rich aren't even paying income taxes. Google them and you will find out what their tax bills are. But that means that you and I and the rest of the taxpayers are going to end up footing the bill based on them not paying taxes and IRS coming after us for more income taxes. So you really got to think about it. Is it free or is it going to cost us on the back end in the long run? So in my opinion, do I think it's a good idea? No, I don't think it's a good idea because I think that taxpayers need to understand that they need to be fully represented on their own when dealing with government agencies, number one. Number two, I think it's going to increase audits for business owners. And number three, I don't think IRS should be competing in a marketplace where there's already third-party providers, entrepreneurs out there making it happen for taxpayers. That's my opinion. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot going on this. That is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe right now, because this new system is launching in 2024. So I want you to stick with me for more so that when you know better, you can do better and keep IRS out of your pocket. And don't foul with them. Don't do it.